Alright, here's my program. We'll run it. So enter positive integers. We'll do the first value. So 1. What is our guess? We'll guess 1. And we got it. So there's 1. We'll run the next one. So let's select 1. We'll enter 0. It's too low. We'll enter 2. It's too high. We'll guess 1. Perfect. Got it. We'll do the next one. So we'll guess 10. So I'm going to guess 5. It's too low, so we'll guess 7. Oh, perfect. Got it. And I'll run it one last time. And I'll guess on the level of 50. So I'm going to guess halfway. Too low, so we'll guess 30. Too high, so 27. 26. Cool. There we go.